Thank you for volunteering to be a judge at the Parkway Science Fair. We are happy to have you join us this year. In 2015, the scoring of the science fair went paperless, so if it is your first time judging or if it has been several years since you judged, this video will walk you through our digital process. QR codes are used to identify each science project, and Google is used to record and tabulate scores. So if you have some type of device, like a smartphone, tablet, or Chromebook, please bring it with you to the fair. If you don't have one, it's not a problem. We will have devices available for you to use. If you will be bringing your own device, before you arrive, please download a QR code reader. You can find these online or in your app store. If you are having problems adding a QR code reader at home, we will have help available at the science fair. Technology support will also be available throughout the science fair for any problems you might encounter. When you arrive at Southwest Middle for the science fair, we ask that you first report to the judge's registration table. Here, we will help you check your device to be sure your QR code reader is working properly. If it is not, we will help you download a QR code reader. Remember, it's okay if you do not have your own device. We will have Chromebooks for you to use. Once your device is ready to go, we will give you a judging assignment card. This will list projects for you to score. Judging assignment cards look like this. As you can see, each judging card has 5 stickers, each containing a row and position for the projects you will be scoring. It also lists whether you are the first or second judge to score the project. You will take this card and your device into the gym and locate your assigned project. Once at the project, the process of scoring will begin. When you are standing at your assigned project, locate the half sheet with the QR code on it. This should be placed at the top right-hand corner of the project board. Using your device, scan the QR code. A form should pop up that gives the row, position, and title of the project you are going to judge. If you're having trouble scanning the QR code, each project also has a tiny URL associated with it. You can type this tiny URL into the search bar and it will send you to the form with the row, position, and title of the project. The row, position, and title should pre-populate on the first screen of the Google form. If you have a match to the project you're standing in front of, click Yes and you will continue to the next screen. If they don't match, click No and you will be instructed to see a science fair administrator. Once the row and position are confirmed, you will be asked to indicate if you are Judge 1, 2, or 3. You can find this by looking at your assignment card. Select your judge number and continue to the next screen. Our science fair scoring guides have not changed. We have just added technology to speed up the process. So from here it should be pretty simple. Choose the number of points you would like to award in each category. Each category has a total number of points associated with them. Be sure you know how much each category is worth. On small screens, it can sometimes be hard to see, so be sure you scroll. After you have given points for every element, you will be prompted to give comments on the next screen. At the bottom of the page, you will be asked to give a written response. Please provide positive and/or constructive feedback as parents, teachers, and students will be able to view this information. When you hit Submit, Google will total the points for you and load them into a spreadsheet, so this year there is no need to stand at the judges table to enter your scores. If you would like to view a hard copy of the scoring guides, laminated copies for all levels will be located at the help desk in the gym. Once all marks have been given, you will be asked to submit your scores. You will know you have done this properly if you receive a thank you message. You are now ready to move on to your next project. Check your judge's assignment sheet, locate the next project by checking your second sticker, and begin the process again by scanning the next QR code or entering the tiny URL. If you are willing, we have several projects this year that have been submitted digitally that also need to be judged. They use the same scoring guide as other projects. They just do not have the traditional project board for display. If you are willing to judge a digital project, please let the people at the registration table know. These projects will be judged in the Southwest Middle Library. Once you have judged all the projects listed on your card, please head back to the judge's assignment table. Once there, you will turn in your assignment card, we will check your scores, and we will ask if you would like to judge additional projects. If you say yes, we will give you another assignment card. If you are finished, return any device that you borrowed and feel free to leave for the day. That concludes our directions for our new judging system. We really appreciate your time and talents.